Hello, Joe Deere here, and this should be a quick little video, hopefully. Remember this here? The Toto? No seat? Well, guess what? Bum. Ah, soft close seat. So, today's video is going to be about installing that seat on this toilet here, so someone can actually sit and use it, maybe. So, let me commence. I'll get my little box opening devices and open this box up. Alright, so this here is Toto soft close seat, model SS114#01, I guess. Yeah, cotton blanco, whatever. And guess what? It also came with this here bag. Right, came with a free trash bag, some trash in, and some little parts here. So the little parts we got here are this. We got some, I don't know, gasket, washer, whatever this is. You can almost not see it. A couple of nylon bolts and a couple of nylon nuts that go underneath. And then the seat here, of course, came with that too. And let's start with this part up here. This is a soft close, so I'm going to have to bend this part back ever so much. And you got these covers that look like they take a little screwdriver or your fingernail if they're strong enough to just kind of pry them open there. Or, like I mentioned before, push up from underneath at this point. Right? And then, now that we got that open, we'll go back to the toilet. So, from here, we will make sure there's nothing on the seat per se, and you know, put it in place right over those holes. Push that down a little bit. But wait, we're forgetting something. The washers, right? So these little washer things here, gaskets, I think it's more of a gasket. You flip this over, and you see here that they go in. There's little nubs on the bottom of these things. They go into little nubs on here. Right? So one side, other side. And I'm going to press them in a little bit there. And then, like I said, without making them fall out, you want to turn it back upside down and reposition it. There. That makes the hold in place. Now then, from another angle, you know, make sure your seat is on straight here. But otherwise, we will feed the bolt down to that center hole into the nut underneath it. So let's go down here, nuts going to go up underneath there, and fasten together. I'm going to snug it down a little bit if I reach to the end of the threading. Alright, let's get it for that, and then do the same with the other side. Next, we will check the orientation again with the top seat open. So we're just kind of snug them down, not super tighten them right now. Okay, lift the lid up. See how it rests against the backstop. Come around here, and we'll take a look from this point of view to make sure that the you know, the seat is right here, right where it should be, basically, which it is. So I'll go ahead and close this down. And with big screwdriver, big slot screwdriver, I will hold the nut underneath while I snug down this nylon bolt to it. And of course this here is not one of those ogre strength things. You just want to tighten it, and you want the that little gasket to do its job of keeping it from slipping around. Alright, then put this clip shut and shut. There you go. Lift it up. And you'll see how it works. Slow, soft close. Alright, so a quick little install. I mean, it doesn't come with this didn't come with this toilet, the seat, but not so bad, right? So, and basically that's kind of like how most any toilet seat goes on. You just usually have something bolts. Maybe they have those washers, garments in there, and then yeah, nuts on the bottom, and just tie together, and boom, there you go. Make sure it's aligned. Make sure you have elongated if you need an elongated one, or a round toilet seat if you have a round toilet. I've seen places where they get those swapped up. And any questions or comments, let me know below. And I think this might end my toilet career for now. So if you want to see another toilet, let me know. Anyways, Odd Job Doer, thanks for watching. I'm out.